Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Radha. As you guys probably see from the title, today's video I will be doing a glasses review as well as a contact lens review. I am so excited to share this with you guys and give you some opinions and honest review. I got some pair of glasses, a couple of contact lens. I hope this is gonna be helpful for some of you guys who are looking for some nice glasses and a contact lens. And yeah, with that being said, let's just get right into it. As you guys know, I am a glasses person. I wear glasses all the time, every day. So yeah, I am super excited to share this with all of you guys with my honest review because I know how important it is. I got two pair of glasses and prescription contact lens. So let's talk about the glasses. I've got two pair of glasses from the brand called TIJN Eyewear. If you haven't heard about TIJN Eyewear, it is the online eyewear company based in Europe. They sell tons of glasses, which is pretty cool. What I really like about this is there are so many options you can choose. There are blue light filter, there are sunglasses, they also have the product from eco-friendly as well. So I think that is pretty cool of them. You also can do prescription glasses, which I think that is pretty nice and very helpful for some of you guys who have the prescription. I also got mine in the prescription, which I think that's gonna be very helpful for everyday life. Basically, it just looks like this. The packaging is pretty nice. It says TIJN's Life is Art. The box itself just very clean and very simple. And on the side, it said we use minimalist and eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet, which I think this is very hit the spot and very well thought of them. And yeah, let's see what it is inside. I am pretty excited. Here there is an Instagram account that you can look it up. So here is a piece of paper and some cords in the back. Of course, here is the glasses holder. Very nice material, very nice leather. It's very easy to open and it's very easy to close. That is pretty nice. And here is my glasses. I got it in the name of Mike. I really like the weight. It's not too light and also it's not that heavy. So I am pretty happy about this. I chose the transparent glasses because I think it's very on trend and also it looks pretty cool. What I think is different from another transparent is there is like the gold hardware on the top and in the bottom there is just like transparent like this. I love the combination between the gold hardware and the transparent. I think it fits very perfectly. I've been wearing this for a week already and I'm obsessed with this. And yeah, super cute. And let's see how it's gonna look. Oh my god, that's more clear to me. I have pretty big face, so I try to find something like oversized glasses. I love oversized and round glasses. I think it fits me well. And here's how it looks. How do you think? I think it is pretty cute. I love it. Sorry about the glare. I have like the ring light on my back, so I think I really like it and I am so happy to have this in my collection. And also I have this in prescription, which I think this is pretty cool. It's helped me a lot. It just changed my life. I can see things clearly and yeah, I love that. The only thing I want to point out is for the people who have the prescription. I know it is pretty important. I would recommend you to see the eye doctor. Just making sure the prescription and the eye version is right together so you are not going to have any problem later. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this one. It's also come with these glasses clothes and the piece of paper that come with is that show the prescriptions and also the address. And yeah, that is basically it. I have another glasses to you guys and here is the sunglasses. This one is non-prescription but I really like it. I am so obsessed. I got another pair of sunglasses and here is how it's come with. Pretty simple and as you can see it's just the same with the other one but yeah, in different color. Again, there is a paper that's come with. And here is the case of the glasses and I think I love this so much. This is just well made and also it's magnetic, which is pretty nice and also very easy to open and very easy to close. I love that. Again, here is the same style. It's under the name of Mike. I didn't even know it's the same style, but well, I bet I love the round glasses, so that's why I got this. I think it suits my face well, and yeah, I got this in black. This glasses is non-prescription, but when I wear with the contact lens, I think this is absolutely my go-to. So here is how I got, and okay, let me show you guys when I wear this. Okay, I love this so much. It's just super cute, and I am pretty sure I can wear every outfit with this kind of glasses because it's very simple and also very classic. What I really concern the most is the leg. That is very easy to fall off, but for this one, the leg don't want to fall easily, so I think that is pretty nice. And also around the nose, which is important for me as well because I have a pretty tiny nose, so I am just making sure that it's hang on my nose nicely. I think this one is actually not hurting me at all, so I think I like that. Come with the glasses clothes and also the prescription, which I don't have any prescription on this, so it just show nothing here. And yeah, these are about the glasses. If you're interested, I will put the link in down below so you guys can check them out. And yeah, they also offer the free shipping, so if you're interested, go for it. So now I want to talk about the contact lenses that I got. I am so proud to say this. I highly recommend for contact lens lover. Actually, TIJN started a new company which selling the color contact lens under the brand of MIRAGA, and I am so obsessed with this contact lens. I will show you guys in a bit, but I would love to talk about this a little bit before. Packaging is absolutely minimalist, which I love. It does look the same, but the color and the sizes, and it said MIRAGA. Also on the side, they said we use minimalist and eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet. So here is how it's come with. It's come with all the contact lens and also the container. I got these two pair of contact lens and I am so obsessed about this. I've never used the contact lens with the prescription before, and when I use this, I am obsessed with it. I don't even have to use the glasses when I go out. If you're a contact lens wearer, I would highly recommend this. I think this is absolutely convenient and very comfortable to your eyes as well. I got two pair of gray ones and also one of the brownish color, and I think that is gonna be very amazing. This box contains one piece soft contact lens. On the front it shows Barbie. I have a prescription, so on the sides it shows like this. For the Nebula frame, I got it in brownish kind of color, and I think this is pretty nice color. I like it. I try to make it more natural as I can, so I think this one gonna be the fancy one because it's kind of like brownish. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this on. And now I'm using the Nebula Gray. I think that is the most like more neutral to me, like dark color. So I think that is pretty much natural. And the last color I got is the Missing Gray, and here is like this. The color is pretty similar to Nebula Gray, so I really like it. I love these two colors. I feel like it's not too obvious, and also it just suits me so well. And yeah, I would say it's a little bit hard for me to put it in at the beginning because I'm not a contact person. However, after 2 days, I felt more comfortable and I am now love it so much. And yeah, that is basically it. I'm so obsessed with their contact lens. I think they made it very nice. Also, these contact lenses are 6-month replacements, which I think that is pretty cool. You can wear it last long. It's just so convenient. I am so excited to wear this every day. I think that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you find this helpful, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!